If you're like me and you picked up the brand new iPad 10, then you're going to need a case for your iPad. And if you're looking for some good suggestions, I got some in this video from my friends over at ESR Gear who are kind enough to sponsor this video. So let's get into it and see how you can level up your iPad. Now first up we have my favorite case by ESR, and this case is the Ascend Hybrid case. Now what I like about this is kind of a two-in-one functionality. One, you're going to get this nice folio design, but you can also detach it, which is really cool. Then you have just a standalone iPad case, which I really like this feature because I tend to sometimes just browse the internet or just watch videos, and this lets me just to get it out of the way. The case is going to be able to, one, show off the color of your iPad, and you can kind of get a color of this case that will match your iPad. So I highly recommend you picking out a color that you like, especially for some of the cases that are coming up. Now with this case, you're going to get nice clicky buttons, and then all the speaker cutouts, the Touch ID cutout, and the USB-C cutouts are all spot on, and you shouldn't have any issues with connecting your different USB devices. And if you want to test out the strength of the magnets, you don't have to worry about your iPad falling off from the folio piece, but it does detach when you do want. Let's take a moment to talk about the sponsor for this video, ESR. They've been making cases and accessories for your devices since 2009 with a mission to make tech easier. With these cases, they've designed a case that does more than protect your device and levels up your experience. They make different accessories that fit your different needs and also include different cases for different devices such as the iPhone. So make sure you check out their different accessories for your different devices and see how they can make your tech easier. If you want to get any of the cases mentioned in this video, make sure you check out the description where I'll have all the links and discount codes available to you. Next up, we have the Rebound magnetic case, and this is going to be a nice slim case that can protect your iPad from scratches. And with the folio design, you can prop it up for typing or just for enjoying media. Essentially, this case fits the bill if you just like reading a lot on your iPad, I feel, because of the slimness, and I feel like the edges are comfortable enough to hold for extended periods of time. If you're not too worried about having the most protective case, this is a really nice case, and they do have a bunch of fun colors like this lavender one I have here. This next case I want to show you is going to be a nice clear case for your iPad, and you're going to be able to have your colors show with this. And the good thing is, if you're someone that doesn't like the folio style and you just want a case to just snap on the back and protect it from damage, scratches, and scuffs, then this is probably going to be the case that you're going to want. It features a nice little inlet for you to go ahead and use Touch ID. Buttons are nice and clicky on this as well for the volume rockers. You have a good amount of space for both the speakers and also the USB-C port, and of course the camera is nice and protected as well. It's very comfortable to hold in the hand if you're going to be using it for extended periods of time for either FaceTime calls or while watching YouTube videos. Lastly, for the Apple Pencil users with this iPad 10, there is an ESR Pencil Case as well. Essentially, it's a folio case that does provide you a good amount of protection, but it also has this sleeve area to pop in your Apple Pencil and also a place to pop it up. So this is going to be really useful for students or people who draw a lot on their iPad. And then again, you can prop it up in the different positions because this is a folio case. So you can use it for typing, writing, and also for enjoying different types of media. Similar to the other cases, you are going to have a good feel for the buttons, and the cutouts are all perfect, so that way you don't have to worry about any interference with the speakers or the ports or even the Touch ID sensor. And also, like the other cases, you are going to find different color options like this really nice forest screen right here. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. Let me know down in the comments below whether you picked up the new iPad or not and which case was your favorite that I showed off in this video. And thank you to ESR for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in similar cases but for the iPad Air 5, then make sure you check out my video up here, or if you want a Magic Keyboard alternative, you can also check out the video up here. And as always, don't forget to take it easy with some tea, and I'll see you next time.